My name is Dan Weise, and I own Weise Choice Tree Services. We recently completed a project that I really wanted to share with you. This project truly embodied the main value of our company, which is to take a progressive and informed approach to tree care and removal. I received a call from the client that she had a large tulip tree I needed to look at. The client's goal was to remove the tree in a safe and cost-effective way without causing any damage to their property or the two neighboring properties. The challenge was clear to me as I drove up to the tree. It was about 85% dead, and it was a tulip tree, which is very brittle. It loomed over a neighbor's house, and it was about 120 feet tall. The tree couldn't be climbed and removed using conventional rigging techniques because it might fall apart. And it was too tall to use an aerial lift on. We needed another plan. I decided to use a climber in conjunction with a crane to take the tree apart piece by piece. I hired a crane service to supply the crane and operators. We ended up deciding on a 110-ton crane with full counterweights to safely reach over the cottage and some smaller trees to get at the large tulip. The reach was close to 200 feet from the crane, and the crane operator wouldn't be able to see the climber in the tree or the place he needed to lower the branches and wood down. Once all the equipment and personnel were in place, it took 3.5 hours to get the tree safely on the ground. We used 2 sets of radios working on different frequencies to guide the crane operator through every critical move. The job went off without a hitch. By taking the time to look at all the parameters of the job and determining the client's goals, we were able to come up with a plan, put the equipment and personnel in place to accomplish it, and do it in the safest way possible. The client's goals were accomplished, the tree was removed, and there was no damage to the client's property or the 2 neighboring properties, and all personnel on the job remained safe at all times. I am most proud of being able to supply the client with a sound solution to a difficult problem.